I've got this question, which is the factorization completely. So I've got 4 questions, which is A, B, C, and D. And all these questions, they carry what? 2 marks. So let's start so that we learn more. So number 1, which is A. A, it is 18 minus 2x squared. So once you see a question, it's like this. The first thing you do, always when you're factorizing, the small number, it should enter into the big number. That's the secret for factorization. So the small number, it's always the one which is common. So you can see 2, it's common. So you bring it where? Outside. You open like this. So you say, how many times can 2 go into 18? It goes 9 times. Minus, how many times can 2 go into 2? It goes 1 time. 1 times x squared, it's x squared. You close. Now, once you have reached here, you know that this is what we call difference of 2 squares. So you say 2 open square root of 9, it's 3. Minus what? X. You close. You bring another one. 3 plus x. You end here. You get your 2 marks. We come to question B. Question B. We come to question B. So question B, it's 32 x squared minus 50. This is the question. So the first thing you do, you have to look for a number which can go in both in 32 and 50. So what number is that? It's 2. So you write 2 here, you open. How many times can 2 go into 32? It goes 16 times. And there is what? X squared minus. How many times can 2 go into 50? It goes 25 times. Now, have you seen here what is happening? This is what we call difference of 2 squares. So you say 2 open square root of 16, it's 4. So you say 4x minus square root of 25, it's 5. So 5 times 5, you get what? 25. So here, it's 5. You bring another one, 4x plus 5. You end here. This is how you factorize this question. We come to question C. Question C. Question C now. So question C, it is this is question C. Question C, it's 6ax minus 4ay minus 3bx plus 2by. This is the question. So once you are factorizing, you start from this side. Have you seen? So this side, you look for the number which can go in both. So we know that the number which can go in 6 and also in 4, it's 2. So you write 2. What else? What can you see which is common between these two? We can see there is A, there is A. So you put it there. You do like this. How many times can 2 go into 6? It goes 3 times. What has remained here? It's x minus. How many times can 2 go into 4? It goes 2 times. What else? What has remained here? It's y minus. Now this side, what is common here? What can you see? What is common here? I can see there is b, there is also b. So you say b, and then what has remained here? It's 3x. So negative times positive, you get what? Negative. What has remained this side? It's 2y. Have you seen? Always, once you are factorizing, always these which are inside these, they have to be the same. If it's positive here, also here it should be positive. If here it's negative, also here it has to be negative. If you find a negative, this side you find positive, just to know that you made a mistake somewhere there. So now, since these, they are the same, you just start first with the one which is outside, which is the 2a minus b, like this. Then you just get one of these, which is 3x minus 2y. You end here without wasting your time. We come to question D. Question D. Question D. So question D says factorize completely, which is 16x squared minus 100. This one is what we call difference of two squares. So without wasting your time, you just say square root of 16, we know that it's 4x minus square root of 100, it's 10. 10 times 10, you get what? 100. So square root of 100, it's what? 10. You put it like this. You do another one, which is 4x plus 10. So that when you say 16, 4x times 4x, you get 16x squared. Negative times positive, you get back the equation. 10 times 10, you get what? 100. So factorization, it has to give you back the equation the way it was. So here you end without wasting your energy and your time.